Today you have to start with solve example of page number 10. Here line AB and line PQ are parallel to each other and this MN is the transversal. Then this angle is given MNQ, this angle is given 70, you have to find out angle AON. Then with the transversal, this angle and this angle are which type of angle? Who will say this angle and this angle are which type of angle? So I already taught that this angle and these angles are called as the exterior alternate angle. And what is the property of exterior alternate angle? If this one is 70, this one is also 70. Everybody understand? Then directly you will say that this is 70 at that time, this one is also 70. But by the another way also you will find out this angle is 70. How you will find out this angle is 70? At that time already we learned the corresponding angle, interior angle, that you have to utilize. You have to utilize the linear pair of angles, then vertically opposite angles, and you have to find out this angle will come 70. How this angle will come 70, that you have to see. If this one is 70 at that time, if this line will intersect with this line at common vertex N, at that time this angle and this angle are called as the vertically opposite angle. And what is the property of vertically opposite angle? Property of vertically opposite angle is they are congruent. If this one is 70, this one is also 70. Then you have to find out this angle. From this angle you have to find out this angle. This angle AON and angle PNO. These are the corresponding pair of angle. And what is the property of corresponding pair of angle? Already we learned that property, that corresponding angles are congruent. If this one is 70, this one is also 70. Means this is one of the method. This is 70 at that time, this is 70. Reason is they are vertically opposite angle. If this one is 70, this one is also 70. Then what is the reason? You have to say that they are the corresponding angle. By another way also you have to say that if this one is 70, this angle is also 70. Because this angle and this angle are called as the corresponding pair of angle. And what is the property of corresponding angle? They are congruent. If this one is 70, this one is also 70. Because both the angles are the vertically opposite angle. This way also you will find out. Means number of ways you will find out this angle AON. But I use this method that if this one is 70, this angle is also 70. This is given. Angle MNQ is 70 degree. This one is given. Then angle MNQ is equal to angle PNO is equal to what you have to say 70 degree, because this angle and this angle are the vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angles are congruent. If this angle is 70 at that time, this angle is also 70. But this angle AON and angle PNO, both the angles, these angles are called as the corresponding pair of angles. So angle AON and angle PNO are the corresponding angle. Then you have to say that angle PON is equal to angle AON. What is the property of corresponding angle? Corresponding angles are congruent. Then if this angle PON is 70 degree, at that time AON is also will come 70 degree. Means number of ways you will solve this problem. But I use this method and you have to utilize any method. Otherwise you have to say that this angle and this angle are the which type of angle? These are the alternate. These are the alternate exterior angle, exterior alternate angle, and if this one is 70, this one is also 70. In this way you have to solve this example. I think you understand these things. You have to draw the figure, write the question from the book, page number 10, and you have to solve this example. Thank you.